In this video, we are going to review Dell Inspiron 15Z Ultrabook. Nowadays, it seems that manufacturers are quite stressing on making portable netbook with touchscreen feature and supported by Windows 8. This Ultrabook features sleek design and great hardware configuration. This is a new redesign and slimmed down edition of Dell's earlier Inspiron 15 series that offers you more improvement in hardware and design. Dell Inspiron Z features a 15.6-inch HD touchscreen display. It has an Intel HM77 chipset and it is powered by Intel Core i7 processor. The RAM inside this Ultrabook is 8GB and it has an NVIDIA GeForce GT 630M 2GB graphic card. These are the prime features of this Ultrabook. Along with this, the additional component that you will get in this system is a 1 megapixel standard web camera, 500GB internal storage and a DVD drive. Dell Inspiron 15Z is available at a cost price of Rs 79,990, which can be termed as one of the best Windows 8 laptop available in terms of hardware config and performance. While it also offers you a very large multi-touch display through which you can do ample different tasks. The complete hardware specification of this system is it comes with Windows 8 64-bit edition. It has an Intel 3rd generation Intel Core i7 35378 processor which has a clock rate of 2 GHz. It has a complete 8GB of RAM. While the chipset used inside this system is Intel H77. It has an NVIDIA GT 630M 2GB graphic card which makes it quite good for video game. For hard drive, it offers you a 500GB of storage which is a 5400 RPM hard drive, and for optical drive it provides you a DVD drive here. While for battery, it has a 6 cell 44 WHR battery that offers a usage time up to 5 hours. For camera, it has a 1 megapixel webcam which offers you standard video calling abilities. It offers you a maximum resolution of 1280 by 720. It also comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. It has the latest Bluetooth 4.0 available in it. While for audio, it offers you Waves Max Audio 4 processing along with Skull Candy speaker which are placed on the lower side. Inspiron 15Z offers you a backlit keyboard through which you can also use it under low light. While it comes with additional connectivity options, like it offers you a USB 3.0 ports along with a 3-in-1 memory card reader. Being an Ultrabook, it is really powerful to run all type of extreme games. It supports all latest games. It has a very sleek design and you can see the screen size is quite large here, due to which you get ample of space to work on office application or on a web page. Along with the big screen size, this laptop is also very heavy to carry. The weight of this system is around 2.17 kg and you can see the dimension also. In terms of design, Inspiron Z has great looks. It has a very sleek design and thin enclosure. The body of this system is packed with brushed aluminum packaging which makes the upper part a bit durable. It has a brushed finishing while the lower part is made up of plastic material which is less durable compared to what we have on the upper side. Following the traditional design, all connectivity ports are placed on the left and right side. The look of this Ultrabook is really impressive. Being an Ultrabook, it offers you a very thin design, but it is a bit heavy to carry. Now we'll check out all the components of this Ultrabook, among which at the top side I want to show you the web camera. This is a 1 megapixel camera, along with there are 2 mics available. The center light which you can see is the indicator, the camera indicator light, which turns on when you're using the camera. At the lower side of the screen, at the left corner, you can see there is a power button, while on the right side there are 3 separate keys available, among which the first one is Windows Mobility Center key that allow you to do some quickly. Now we'll check out all the components of this Ultrabook, among which at the top side I want to show you the web camera. This is a 1 megapixel camera, along with there are 2 mics available. The center light which you can see is the indicator, the camera indicator light, which turns on when you're using the camera. At the lower side of the screen, at the left corner you can see there is a power button, while on the right side there are three separate keys available. On the right you can see a set of three keys, among which the first one is Windows Mobility Center button that allow you to do some task instantly, like you can simply turn on and off Bluetooth, or you can simply adjust the screen brightness. While next to that lies the audio mode, the audio preset switch that allow you to select different audio preset available in this system, like you can switch from movie to music, or simply you can put the laptop audio mode on gaming. While the last key is Dell instant launch button. This button allow you to launch an application instantly. You just have to assign a shortcut here and you have to press this key. That application or a web page or whatever it is will be loaded when you press the key. Below the screen lies a chiclet keyboard with backlit. You can see the keyboard here. It is a full size keyboard. Below the keyboard lies a single touchpad status light. On the left side you can see there is a power adapter port. Next to that lies a security cable slot. Just next to that lies a LAN port. This is a high speed gigabit port. There is a single HDMI port, and after that there are two USB 3.0 ports, among which the first one comes with power share. This is an internal feature that allow you to charge your smartphone, tablet, etc. while connecting to the laptop, and you do not require to turn it on. And the last is 3.5mm headphone jack. On the right side lies an optical drive. Just next to that lies two USB 3.0 ports and 3-in-1 media card reader. On the front there are four light indicators, among which the first one is for power status, the second is hard drive activity light, there is a battery status light, and the last is Wi-Fi status. Inspiron 15Z offers you a better and wide range of connectivity options. You can simply connect it on a LAN network, or you can simply use the internal Wi-Fi. It also has a Bluetooth 4.0 on which you can connect your latest smartphone and tablet. There are ample of USB 3.0 ports available on both the sides. There are total 4 ports available through which you can simply transfer a good amount of data instantly. There is a 3-in-1 memory card reader also that allow you to simply copy your photos, videos directly from your smartphone or camera in the tablet, in the Ultrabook. The first USB 3.0 port comes with power share. You can see you can simply charge any device through it. You do not need to turn on the laptop. You just have to connect it to a power source, and that's all. You can simply charge the device. Compared to another model which comes in the same range, which is Asus VivoBook S400, Inspiron 15Z has a more brighter and bigger screen size, which also offers you more vibrant color output. Watching pictures, images, movies on this Ultrabook is simply great because it offers you a very flawless performance, while the screen output is quite great. You can see the output here. Also, while web browsing, this Ultrabook offers you a proper output in terms of crisp and sharp text. You can simply zoom in and zoom out page instantly through this. In terms of display, Inspiron 15Z is one of the best laptop available, which offers a very nice HD resolution for image and video viewing. You will surely love the True HD display. Even after having a sleek design, this system comes with a very powerful hardware configuration, powered by Intel 3rd generation Core i7 processor that is clocked at 2 GHz, 8 GB RAM, and 2 GB graphic card make this Ultrabook work really well with all kind of application. You can simply use it for video editing, or you can simply play high-end games at medium range. It will work fine. There will be no issue with performance. Now I'm going to run a batch script which has a set of 8 to 9 programs that will be launched instantly, and we'll check out the output here. So here you can see the maximum CPU usage right now. Now I'll run the script that will launch multiple applications instantly at the same time. You can see the system is still working very nicely. There is no freezing issue. There are ample of programs which are started at the back side. You can see the list of applications in the taskbar. and at the same time I can simply go through images and I can check out some videos also. These are the number of applications which are working in the system. So in terms of performance, this Ultrabook offers you great performance, great output due to a high-end processor, ample of RAM available, and a graphic card. Under benchmarking, Inspiron 15Z gets 3759 score on NVIDIA GeForce graphic card and along with the processor. So that is a pretty good score for high-end gaming. For storage, it offers you a 5400 RPM hard drive, which is enough for day-to-day use. This is a high-end model in which at least I was expecting to have a 1 terabyte hard disk, but it is only having a 500 GB. So if you're using this for HD videos or for watching movies or gaming, then the hard drive space is quite less here. Overall, Dell Inspiron 15Z may not be an Ultrabook that offers you extreme gaming output, but still it is great enough for day-to-day use, and it offers you much better output over the existing model available in the market. Inspiron 15Z comes with a full keyboard here, which is a backlit keyboard. Now there is no separate number pad available, you have to use the top number keys. You can see the keyboard here, the keys are placed very well, which have proper gaps in between so that it will be extremely comfortable for typing. Just below that lies a multi-touch touchpad, which is also quite responsive and allows you comfortable navigation. This is a gesture-based touchpad that offers you different options, like you can simply pinch, zoom an image through this. You can see this is a gesture-based touchpad which works really fine. It allows you to change the screen, the image size. You can also use it for scrolling. So this is a really responsive touchpad available here, which has ample of space available along with the first and the last key for first and last mouse click keys. Now there are some additional utilities available in this system which are provided by Dell. These are the on-screen utilities, among which can be accessed via 3 buttons which are available just below the screen that I had shown you before also. The first one is the mobility center, which allow you to simply make changes to your system, like you can instantly change the system brightness. You can also modify the volume, you can check out the battery here. You can rotate the screen while you can connect an additional display, or you can simply manage the sync setting of the system. While at the bottom side there is a separate panel available through which you can simply adjust the brightness of this keyboard backlit. You can turn on and off Bluetooth. You can launch Instant Manager, you can set up the radio control options and functions key, and you can simply turn on and off the touchpad. So these are the options available under Windows Mobility Center. The second key here is for the audio mode that I have shown you. This audio mode allows you to set your system audio into different mode available. Now there is an additional application available. This is the Dell Audio application. Now here you can simply enable and disable max audio for which boosts the audio quality. This is quite great for watching movies only, while the output of the audio cannot be heard on the Ultrabook speaker because they are very tiny and they are placed just below the chassis. So the audio gets blocked when you keep it when you place it vertically. While you can get a quite good effect on 2.1 or 5.1 speakers, computer speakers. The third utility is a launch application. This is a launch manager that allows you to launch different application or any web page you want to open through this single key. So this is a very basic launch application available here. Overall, Inspiron 15Z has a very nice keyboard with backlit that allow you to type under low light also. It is have an impressive touchpad which is quite responsive and offer you to simply to use it for scrolling, for zooming, etc. Dell Inspiron 15Z is quite good for day-to-day tasks. Well, it will be a bit low on gaming. While for multimedia, it is an ideal system. It offers you a great video output due to ample of video memory available in this and high RAM. So we'll play a small video and we'll test out the maximum audio and video output of this Ultrabook. This is the maximum brightness and maximum volume of this system. Now the application which I had shown you before about enabling Max Audio, as I said, this will not have a really impressive effect on the speaker, but we'll still test it. We'll turn it off and we'll see what is the difference it will get after. You can see there is a bit low. The voice is reduced to some extent. So this is the multimedia output of this Ultrabook, and you can see it is really impressive because of having a wide screen, a 15-inch screen. It is very easy to watch HD video on it, and the output is also great. Web camera of Inspiron 15Z is standard. It is an average camera. It is a 1 megapixel camera that offers you enough quality for video chatting. You can see the camera output here. Images are more better if you are taking them in under bright light. The Inspiron 15Z is also good for gaming. It does not give you extreme output, but it is enough to play any latest game on medium setting. Due to 2GB NVIDIA GeForce GT 630M graphic card, you can play all the latest game at minimum or at medium setting. But on extreme setting or on any very high-end setting, the game will lag here. Games like Sniper Ghost Warrior 2, Prototype 2, Max Payne 3 and Dark will work really fine on this. This is Mortal Kombat, which is another latest game released some time ago. The output is quite proper because of ample of video memory. NVIDIA 630 GT 630M is an 2-year-old mobile graphic card, which also comes in some entry-level Dell laptop. But the only benefit of this Ultrabook is that it is having a 2GB instead of 1GB. For web surfing also, the screen is quite vibrant. It allows you to read each and every stuff on the page quite easily. You can use the touch screen directly to scroll pages. You can see the screen output here. In terms of battery life, Dell Inspiron 5Z does not offer satisfying result. I am not really happy with the battery output here. It has a 44 WHR 6-cell battery that offers only a battery output of 5 or 5.30 hours. So if you are going to travel while carrying this kind of system, you will have to ensure that you have some kind of power source, or else the battery will be drained out really fast. Another issue with this system is that when you put it on hibernation mode, the battery drains out quite instantly. Like the battery is left around 50 to 60%, and when you put it on hibernation mode, and when you check back after 1 hour or 2 hours, the battery will be drained out. There will be only 10 to 20% of battery left. So this can be an issue also. This can be a bug also. But right now I am not really satisfied with the battery output of Dell Inspiron 15Z. The price of rupees 79,990, Dell Inspiron 15Z is one of the best laptops available in the moment with touchscreen and Windows 8 support. This Ultrabook offers a great touch response, good processing power, and ample of physical memory with 2GB video memory also, so that you can simply use it for mid-range gaming also. Inspiron 15Z comes in 4 different models, among which the one which we have tested today is the highest one. This has the best specification. Also, this is the most costliest one, and similar to that, there is another model available in the market by Asus, which is VivoBook S400. Compared to that, Inspiron 15Z is more highly priced, but it is able to maintain the performance, processing power and GPU. We also get a 15.6-inch HD multi-touch display with better connectivity option and PowerShare USB port. The issue lies with laptop battery, which is quite less as per expected. The quality point of Inspiron 15Z is it has a very sleek design. It is a large and bright display. It is good for multimedia purpose, and the keyboard is quite comfortable. Also, the touchpad is very responsive. While the negative aspect of this Ultrabook is that it has a very poor battery life. it is a bit heavy to carry, while the gaming performance is average.
That's all for now. For more review, tutorial, news and updates on latest technology, visit techarena.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.